7 types of shiz you should never try to pop drive. Ashley Michael. Skin is the sensitive part of the human body. It has sensitive cells. Beneath the skin, there are pain receptors. Because of some allergy or using huge amount of medicine, human skin face problems like bumps and blemishes on your body or face. A small ball called pimple can damage your skin apparently. It will make holes on your skin. The bumps and blemishes require time. It will get better 3 to 7 days a week. According to the dermatologist and cosmetic surgeon, make your skin flawless. Do not pop up the bumps and blemishes at your own risk. They will cause a serious and deep wound that make or look your skin ugly. If it seems very ugly, then visit a doctor to consult him about your problem. Majorly, it required medication, which stops the budding of the germs and bacteria. Mostly these bacteria attack of sunblock that contains thick layer to apply on your face. This thick layer blocks the passage of air and extra waste salty water to expel out from the skin. It also blocks the pores. Use moisturizer creams and oil that give nourishment to the face skin. To make it flawless, free from acne and dark circles, wash it regularly. Bumps and blemishes are the small balls contain pus. They are inflammation caused by the bacteria. The most common bumps are pustules. It carries the bacteria that cause dark acne and red spot inflammation into a red spot on the skin. Later on, in 1 week time, it turns into whitehead. There are some steps in the lifespan of these kinds of bumps to recover. You can treat it under the light of your doctor's recommendation. 1. Ingrowns. The bumps grow in the hair area are difficult to handle. These ingrown bumps start growing inside instead of start growing outside the skin. Inside growth of skin, not big or serious matter, but it irritates the person. Skin picking with tweezers or any other instrument is danger. This picking up of skin causes inflammation of the skin. It turns into red spots, swelling, or cause damage to other parts of the skin. We can control this hair growth with medication. Medicines like hydrocortisone and other antibacterial ornament remove the hair from the area. It will make the skin surface clean, remove red color bumps, swelling, and pus inside the balls. The main cause of such problem is the people who have curly hairs. When people reach to the puberty period, both girl and boy, they release the excess of growth hormone. 2. Cold sores. A girl wants to impress anybody. You are going to your first date. Tomorrow you are going to party, but the cold sores make you ugly. Do not try to pull them off. They contain the bacteria that pass on their germs to the other areas of the surface. They will cause other cold sores. These sores caused by herpes virus. Herpes virus can send their germs from one area of the body to another party. Mostly they transfer their bacteria through simply touching them. If these cold sores are irritating you more and more, see a doctor or dermatologist immediately. Few days the person who is suffering from cold sore avoids interacting with people. This can stop the spread of this virus to the healthy people. From cold sore avoids interacting with people. This can stop the spread of this virus to the healthy people. 3. Milia. The whiteheads that contain a hard covering. The main thing about milia is they cannot burst with the help of 2 fingers. They do not contain any white liquid called pus or any dirt. These are hard, and without the help of dermatologist, it cannot be pop up. If you try with your fingers to popping up, it will cause redness, swelling, irritate skin and cause inflammation of that area. It contains only oil and grime inside the skin. It will treat with the help of dermatologist with medical help. Grime inside the skin. It will treat with the help of dermatologist with medical help. 4. Keratosis pilaris. It is the most common disease that attacks the adults and younger people. It is the skin disorder. It mainly shows symptoms like the chicken skin. Small tiny ball-like structure that covers whole area of the body or face. It can transfer from parents to their offspring. The people who are suffering from keratosis pilaris will need regular maintenance of the therapy they've been assigned by the dermatologist. If anybody trying to squeeze these ball-like structure will cause redness, swelling and required more effort to do that work. Without using your hand, Use chemical like salicylic acid or glycol acid to control the inflammation of keratosis pilaris. If it does not work at all, then it is now important to visit or consult a dermatologist. 5. Cyst acne is the most irritated bumps. It cannot treat manually with 2 hands. If it bursts, then it will leave mark on your skin that cannot be hidden with any makeup. This occurs deep in the skin. If somebody wants to find the end point or growing end of the cystic acne, you cannot find it because it grows really deep in the skin. It appears as red color spot but grown inside the skin instead of outburst. The people get irritated. It will cause swelling and inflammation. They are difficult to treat at home with homemade remedies. Painful acne under skin. If those spots take long time to recover, then consult a family doctor or specialist to treat you better with medications and give you precautionary measures. Women can treat it with oral antibiotic, limit the amount of taking birth control pills. Stress is the cause. 6. Black important and the common issue of the girls are blackheads. Blackheads are just like the whitehead. It has oil and deep pores. These deep pores, when exposed to air, it absorbs dirt and dust particle from the air. They are the dark spots spread all on the skin. Blackheads cannot inflammation, swell, or hurt, but it creates acne around the nose. The area around the nose became dark in color. Our skin produces too much oil. The bacteria on our skin can also give in blackheads formation. Our skin produces hair follicles. By producing the excess of hair follicles will give toward the appearance blackheads. During drug addiction, pills taking, menstruation will also contribute to produce blackheads. For more updates, subscribe to our channel. Click the show link and enjoy the video.